morning, everyone. I am really delighted to be here with you today. We have some great news to share with you. In less than 3 weeks ago in Tehran, I had the opportunity to meet Jonathan, the founder and the CEO of Grog. I met him to discuss a problem that we are facing. Of course, we are all excited about Gen AI and what AI will do to our world. But there is a really big issue that we need to address. In order for AI to function, it needs infrastructure. It needs chips. It needs specific chips that do the right thing at the right power at the right cost. When I met Jonathan, firstly, I was really impressed about his background. I understood that he built the original TPU in Google. And in his new startup, I will tell you about one small thing that really impressed me. He showed me a voice assistant. I've seen this many times before, but there's something different about it. It does real-time response. Actually, in fact, if you close your eye and you talk to this assistant, it felt to me as if I'm talking to a human. The ultra-low latency response triggered an action in my mind. I wanted to learn more about these chipsets. Today, our announcement is about the collaboration that we're doing with Grog. In my view, in my opinion, Grog is really building the world's fastest, most scalable AI inferencing chipset platform. The dream was, can we do this in Saudi Arabia? Can we build the world's largest AI infrastructure as a service in this country? We have an abundance of opportunities here, driven by a great program, Vision 2030. So maybe I would ask Jonathan just to tell you, Jonathan, why Saudi Arabia? What piqued your interest and why this resembles a great opportunity for you and your company?
I think it's exactly what you said. We met 3 weeks ago, and we were able to move incredibly quickly. And the scale and ambition and vision is what's absolutely crucial. And the short answer is yes, it absolutely can be done here. You know exactly what you want to do, and you know how to drive towards that. All you have to do is successfully execute, and you'll get there. And what has been missing in AI is that sort of natural feeling. The reason that we're all here talking about AI is because a little over a year ago, someone trained an AI large language model to do chat. And then all of a sudden we saw the capability and everyone wanted access. But what's missing is it's not natural yet. And what Tariq here is talking about is that ability to bring natural AI, an AI where you can actually have an exchange like we're having right here, and it feels natural.
And what do you think about the opportunity? Of course, these chipsets needed brilliant minds, brilliant engineers that are really creating the designs of advanced chipsets. When we look at Saudi Arabia, I really would see a massive opportunity here on how we bring and attract talent and create an environment to cultivate from fresh graduates, and whether it is male, female, a really big ecosystem to build AI talent in this country.
Well, and since about 2 weeks ago, and Tariq and I met well before this, we've become a viral sensation, Grok, on Twitter. And we've had an enormous number of people reaching out, requesting access. I got an astounding statistic. In 2 weeks, 15,000 companies have started using our API. I'm having venture capitalists, tier 1 venture capitalists, reach out and ask if we can prioritize their startups. Because compute is the new oil. If you want to do AI, you need access to compute, but you want access to the fastest. And what we're doing is we're bringing that compute here, and this is where the startups are going to have to come if they want access to that. And the amount that we're bringing online is going to be the equivalent of bringing a hyperscaler here, but for startups.
Well, thank you very much. I am as excited about the possibilities of tomorrow. And thank you, Jonathan, for your partnership and trust. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.